Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy options on Webull. So first of all, what you need to do, make sure to log in using your credentials. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see trading and investing right here. I'm pointing it out, right? And you're gonna see a pop-up window. You don't need to click on it, just point it out. And then you're gonna see trading, stocks, overnight trading, options. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click options. So we want to buy options. So you're gonna see the features right here, diverse options strategies, trade with precision in ease, advanced options trading, low options fees. So just so you know, I'm just new to the website, so I haven't verified my account or anything. So I'm gonna just show you how to get there, and you can make the choice if you want to buy or sell the option. So I'm gonna go ahead and start trading options. Okay, and basically I'm gonna go and add the funds to my account. Right here it says account opening and access are not available in your current region. So it really depends on your region, but if you have the option, just go ahead to the trading and investing, go to the options, right, and then just start trading using options, and then you're going to be able to enjoy the profits of the market. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.